This is the service elevator at. This is the service elevator at the Great Lodge, Concord, North Carolina. Oh, ride going down. Oh my God, it's huge.
Demonstrations with galvanism through legislators and members of Congress into some.
Okay. Very quiet. Very quiet. Ooh.
Sure, Gary expected this one.
The reasons behind it were incredibly sobering. Namely, the profound sense of fear that
Nice service elevator.
It's gotten so bad that many children have taken to scouting out their schools for safe hiding places in the event that their school is the site of the next tragedy. This Saturday, March 24th, millions of people will be marching.
Still in 2009?
Across
They had that mom's iPhone.
I don't have my iPhone.
It's on B. Let's go back up. Let's go back up to 4.
Do a round trip.
Let's go 4.
Do a round trip.
Oh.
How fast is this one? You want to take a picture? You want F?
Oh.
What kind of elevator is
It's
this?
an Otis.
We made it nudge. Yes, first time ever. Sherry Berry picture in the back only service elevator. All right, let's go back to the room and get dressed. And we'll do nudge after, we'll do some more nudge after the water park, okay?
Send this down.
We're gonna tell Aunt Belinda we rode the service.
Death trap.